What's up gamers, it's Frederick here once again, and yes, we got another item to unbox and review for today. But if this is your first time on the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever we have new video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing and review of this item. But before we do that, don't forget to take it easy. Let's go! Yeah. Alright gamers, so this is the item itself. I already removed the plastic, so it's gonna be much easier for us. But there you go. Boom, pop it open. What do we see? Right at the very first part of it is this box. Let's see what's inside. Inside of it is the SIM ejector tool right in there. We have some paperweights in here, which no batteries, of course. This is one of the best things that this item have. Look at this one. This is a case, not a jelly one, not a clear case, but feels like a premium case. And yeah, this is really nice to have. Now this is the actual phone itself right in there, if you guys can see it. So let me go ahead and remove it. There you have it. We're gonna get into that in a bit. Let's check and see what's inside the box. So we have here the cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. And here is your 33 watt fast charging. So nothing more, nothing less with this box. So let's set this aside for the meantime. So this is it. So if you guys can see it, it says there that this includes a super clear 108 megapixel triple camera, and this is the 4G version. There's a 5G version which is definitely will have higher price. We have 120 Hz FHD plus AMOLED display. We also have immersive viewing with ultra thin bezel. We're gonna see that in a bit. We have the secure in-screen fingerprint sensor, very nice to have. Powerful Snapdragon performance and 33 watts fast charging with 500 mAh battery. So let's go ahead and remove this plastic right over here. Okay, there you go. And boom, look at that. This is the mint green version right over here. Isn't that nice? This is the side of it, this is the front. Okay, this is the top, and this is the bottom part of it. So let's start from the top. There you go. There you have your 3.5mm jack input, and you also have a speaker out in there, and then IR blaster is also in there, and microphone is right in there. And then at the bottom you have another speaker. So this is a dual speaker setup already, and your USB Type-C charging cable, and also for other inputs as well. You also have here the SIM tray right in here. Okay, and this includes 2 SIM card you can use. The other one is you can either use a memory card or a SIM card for that, which I'm gonna show to you later. On the right side you have your power button, and then your volume rocker in here, and then on the other side pretty much you don't have anything at all. Now let's turn it on and let's see how fast this thing is gonna boot up. Let's go. Alright, so you have to long press it until it vibrates. That's it. I think it's about a minute or less than a minute. This is the 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM version. OS Android 14, MUI 14. Chipset is SM6225, Snapdragon 6856 nanometer. Let's go ahead and try the fingerprint unlock right over here. Let me show it to you. Boom, that's really fast, right? Alright, so here's the camera setup. So right over here on top is your 108 megapixel f 1.824mm wide. This one is an 8 megapixel f 2.20 120 degrees ultra wide, and this is your 2MP f 2.4 macro lens, and then of course an LED flash right over here. Video is 1080p at 30 FPS, so definitely you should shoot a video, but if you're looking for something better, you will not get it on this camera. So this is your selfie camera right over here. I'm not quite sure if you guys can see it. So this is a 16MP f2.4 wide. Video is 1080p at 30 FPS. NFC is definitely included on this device. You also have your infrared port and performance. Antutu benchmark gives a performance of 316,857 and Geekbench is 1,817 with this cell phone. The display is AMOLED 120Hz, 1,800 nits. Peak size is 6.67 inches and the screen to body ratio is 87.5% and resolution, so that's 1080p times 2400. PPI density is 395. Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Okay, and yeah, this was just launched January of this year 2004, so let's check and see if this one's still capable. Alright, so let's start with the camera. When it comes to natural lighting, definitely it looks good, okay, but when it comes to low light situation, even it's 108 MP, there is some grainy parts of it, most especially the dark areas. That's 100 AP, remember, okay? And what more with the 8 megapixel camera and the 2 megapixel camera, so it's definitely gonna be worse than the rest. Yeah, this camera is usable and will have decent performance and you will capture decent photos and decent videos as well. For the front facing camera, which is 16 megapixel, this is usable already. It's not that bad, not that good. I couldn't say mid-range level, but somewhere on the lower mid-range level. This is already usable. So I compare it with my Poco X3. I still have better quality when it comes to taking photos and videos. The only good thing that I would say in terms of video and pictures is the color science that this phone came with. Very, very nice color science compared to my Poco X3. And of course, the highlight to this one is probably because of the AMOLED display right over here, which this one only have like IPS display, so this is definitely way better and will have more higher brightness, which is 1800 nit. And the price, of course, which again I'm gonna post a link in the description down below for the price of this phone. And yeah, let's go ahead and discuss the quality. Alright, so what I like about this phone as well is this part right over here on the side is, I think it's aluminum. It feels aluminum to me. It's not plastic at all, unlike my Poco, which is all plastic all around. So build quality wise, I will definitely give it to this Redmi Note 13. And I think this is iPhone inspired or something, because the part right over here is glass. I'm just not quite sure if this is legit glass or plastic glass, but it feels glass, although it's not cold to touch, so could be plastic, but it's very clear and looks premium. Alright, but still fingerprint magnet when it comes to glass back. Definitely fingerprint magnet. I like the design as well, which is pretty much the design for all Redmi phones right nowadays, right? So still consistent with the design. And then on the front side of it, I'm not quite sure if you guys notice it, but this little camera in here have the accent of gold. I'm not quite sure if you guys can see it or if it's even visible on your end, but there is something in there going. And this also comes with a thin piece of protective for the screen, although this is Corning Gorilla Glass, but I will definitely replace this with a tempered glass. And what else do I like about this phone? I think it's really fast for its price, okay, because some of the other phones that is on this price point doesn't have that fast performance. I got this phone for about 7,500 PHP to USD, so that is around $128. I got this phone from on a deal. I'm not quite sure if it will still go in, but I'll definitely post a link in the description down below for this phone, okay? It's definitely smooth, not the fastest one, but smooth enough for normal people like us. Brightness is not the brightest one, we can still increase it, so that's the brightness. So we'll just put it into half. Definitely 1800 nits because of the AMOLED display. And then reading mode, color scheme, refresh rate, there you go. Refresh rate is just, oh, there's a 120 refresh rate. Wow, with this 7,500 phone, or let's say $130 phone, you have 120 Hz display AMOLED. That's definitely a great deal, but will consume more battery, of course, if you're gonna use the 120 refresh rate. But just for the sake of this review, let's go ahead and use it at 120 refresh rate. Let me go ahead and test the sound and vibration. Let me just watch some of my videos on YouTube so that I can support my own channel, which I think you should too. Alright, so yep, you want to support this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and give this a like and share this to your friends, of course. So this is just 4G, so this will be as fast as any 4G phone that's out there, depending on the antenna, of course. On on with mobile data. Alright,
What's up guys? So we have another item to unbox for today. This is one of the items that we can use for our DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this item. Let's go!
Alright, so definitely not the loudest one.
Lark M2 widely compatible. Alright, so this should be
This is
compatible
the one
with
that I've
DJI
reviewed
Osmo
on this
Pocket 3.
video.
And now let's go ahead and unpack it. It's all thanks to you.
Ooh.
Universal gravitation determines planetary interaction. Gunner on the portal!
Alright gamers, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share this video to your friends, family, or just anyone who's looking for a budget phone right now. Share your thoughts, questions, suggestions on the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever we have a new video. This is Fred once again. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out to everyone. Keep safe to all of you, and once again, don't forget to take it easy. I'll see you in another video. Yeah.